Here's a short video demonstration to show you how to use GeoGebra. Check the symmetry of some of these photographic images. Insert my image. Go and find it. I can move that around a little bit so it's centered on my screen. There we go, that's better. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make that a background image and then change the filling of the photograph. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace a polygon onto that petal. There we go. There we go. And the more points that I put on there, then the smoother that will be. Again, I can just change the way that looks, make the line a bit thicker, make the filling a bit darker, change the colour to something that is closer to the colour of the petal perhaps. And the first thing I'm going to do is check if that's got reflective symmetry. So let's put the line of symmetry in. Y equals 0.6x, I think it might be. Not quite. Okay, let's move the line a little bit. Let's guess it's there. Okay, reflection. So to do a reflection I need to choose the shape and then the line of symmetry. So I'm going to click on the shape, now I'm going to click on the line, and there's the reflection. Okay. Now, how does that fit? Doesn't matter where the line is, that's not a great fit. Perhaps that's because it's not reflective symmetry. So let's try rotational. Okay, let's get rid of this. So I'm going to click on the line, delete it, and then the reflected image disappears as well. Okay. Rotate. Click on the shape, click on the center of rotation, and then choose an angle, 45 degrees clockwise. Okay, let's have a go at that. Not quite the right angle. So maybe I could calculate the angle, or maybe I could use a slider to guess that and play around with it. So here's a slider, choose angle. I'm going to make it longer. 72 is quite a short slider. So there it is at the bottom, and as I change the position of that dot, that changes the angle. There we go. Let's try that again. Let's rotate the shape, click the center. Now instead of putting an angle in here, I'm going to choose alpha, which is the name of this angle here, clockwise. So that's giving me a rotation of 38 degrees. Then I can move the slider and change the angle. So there we go. That's not a bad fit for each of the petals of the flower. Now maybe you can think about how I can do this so that I can get another rotation to go over one of the other petals, and maybe even 4 rotations to cover the other 4 different petals. I'll leave that one for you to try and work out.